Novation Launchkey 61 MK4, the only 61-key controller that actually feels like magic. You set down to create, full of ideas, but nothing flows. Your fingers hunt for chords, you hit wrong notes, the spark dies. Hours vanish clicking the mouse while the beat in your head fades away. You watch tutorials, buy plugins, yet your track still sounds stiff, uninspired, like everyone else's. That killer melody? Stuck in your mind because your current keyboard fights you every step. You're not lazy, you're frustrated. The joy you used to feel making music is slipping away, replaced by endless tweaking and zero finished songs. It's exhausting. Another night, another half-finished loop you'll probably delete tomorrow. Your friends are releasing tracks while you're still nudging MIDI notes with a mouse? You know you've got better ideas on what's coming out, but your setup keeps betraying you. Every wrong note chips away at your confidence. Every time you reach for the mouse instead of staying in the flow, you lose momentum. Those magical moments when inspiration hits, they're getting rarer because the friction is killing them. Deep down, you're scared the music inside you might never fully come out. Not because you lack talent, but because your tools are holding you back. And that hurts more than you admit. Now imagine sitting down and everything just works. You press one key and lush chords fill the room. You tap a pad and a perfect drum groove locks in. You hold the notes and the arpeggiator turns it into something hypnotic, all while staying perfectly in key. This isn't fantasy. This is what happens the moment you plug in the Novation Launchkey 61 MK4. It's the creative controller built exactly for producers like you who are tired of fighting their gear and ready to make music that actually sounds like what's in their head. With its premium semi-weighted 61-key keybed and aftertouch, you'll play expressively from day one. Piano parts feel alive. Leads sing. Chords breathe. Scale mode locks you into key so you never hit a wrong note again, even at 3 a.m. when theory is the last thing on your mind. Chord mode lets you trigger rich, professional voicings with one finger, while your other hand plays bass lines or melodies. The powerful arpeggiator mutates ideas instantly, turning simple patterns into evolving ear candy. 16 velocity-sensitive RGB pads with polyphonic aftertouch give you finger drumming feel that rivals dedicated pad controllers. 9 smooth faders and 8 rotary knobs put your entire mix at your fingertips. No more mouse diving. It integrates so deeply with Ableton, Logic, FL Studio, and every major DAW that it feels like the software was built around it. Producers using the Launchkey 61 MK4 report finishing tracks 3 times faster and finally loving their own music again. If you're ready to fall back in love with making music and start finishing tracks that actually sound like you, click the link in the description right now and get the Novation Launchkey 61 MK4. It comes with Ableton Live Lite, Addictive Keys, Spitfire Labs, and thousands of dollars worth of premium sounds. Everything you need to make professional music today. Stocks are moving fast, and this bundle won't last forever. Click now, plug in tomorrow, and feel the difference the very first session. Your best music is waiting. Go claim it.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.